Sundar Vanya and my team stand here to explain our project. Our project is LED distance indicator. The purpose of this project is to measure the distance from a sensor to an object. This sensor is there to measure the distance or detect where the object is or a person. So my friend is going to tell you what are the things required to make it.
Now I'm here to tell you the things which are required to make this project. First I will tell you the name of these things, then I will explain you how does it work. This is Arduino, this is breadboard, these are the LEDs, this is sensor, these are the jumper cables, this is USB data cable, and these are the resistors. Arduino is a small programmable board which is used to connect sensor and LED. It is a microcontroller which is known as the brain of this project. Breadboard, to connect all these modules, we need a simple, easy tempering platform, that is a breadboard. Sensor. There are 4 types of sensor, but we are using ultrasonic sensor to measure the distance of an object. LED. As we all know that LED stands for light emitting diode, is used in this project to pass on electric signal. It is used as an indicator. Jumper cable. There are 3 kinds of jumper cables, but we are using male-to-male jumper cable to connect breadboard with Arduino. USB data cable. There are 2 types of USB data cable, that is type A and type B. We are using type B to connect this system into laptop. You can use type A to connect this system into phone also. Now Sandhya will explain you the works of this project.
Sir, now I'm going to tell you how does it work. Actually, when you go inside a mall, you have seen a basic life example that if we go inside a mall, we see an automatic door. There are no one to open it, right? But it gets open and closed by itself only. So means that the sensor is detecting how far the object or person is from the door. It means the sensor is detecting how far you are from the door or anything. Like you can also take the example of radar. If any country's flight or anything gets inside in our country, the alarm starts. It means that sensor is catching what is coming, what is going, and how does it far and how does it close. Now I am presenting that if we keep this bike on 10 centimeter, the first LED is glowing. If I'll take on 15 centimeter, the second LED will glow. If I'll take on 20 centimeter, the third LED will glow. It means that it has a specific distance that how much it can take. If we'll take it far, then it won't glow. It has a certain distance where it is going to glow. It means the sensor is detecting how far it is. And it is also for the robotics and engineers. The person who will go further in the robotics, it is very useful for them. And it is not very expensive. You can make it with a very low cost. And sir, this project proves that even a simple project makes our life smarter, better every day. Thank you, sir.
Very well explained.
Sir, this is for you.
Yes. From Mithila Public School family.
Thank you.
Small token of love.
Very good.